Follow these steps to earn from mypoints.com. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of MyPoints. Once you're over here, you're gonna find this login section. In case you haven't created your account yet, you can join now for free and get a $5 welcome bonus. So type in your email address and password and agree with the terms and conditions of MyPoints. You're gonna get $5. Likewise, you can also earn by shopping online. Shop through MyPoints portal at major retailers like Walmart, Amazon, eBay, and Best Buy. Earn 1 to 40 points per $1 spent depending on the store. Use MyPoints promo codes for extra cash back. Also, you can complete surveys, watch videos, use MyPoints search engine, print and redeem coupons, refer friends, and earn more. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily earn points using MyPoints. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.